Welcome to 103 Knightbridge Drive in the Hamlet of Springdale. This residence includes 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, finished lower level, and an attached heated 3-car garage. The 2-story entry boasts 18-foot ceilings, 4-piece crown molding, and leads to an elegantly styled formal dining room and modern study with an attached sitting area. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with stainless steel Gen-Air appliances and is finished in a transitional style. 2-tone cabinetry, floating shelves, pot filler, and beverage center are just a few of the outstanding features. The attached breakfast room leads to one of the 2 covered patios and is complete for entertaining with surround sound wiring and gas line hookup for your grill. As you head towards the 3-car heated garage, you'll notice the large functional mudroom with an oversized walk-in pantry. The 2-story great room includes a tapered stone fireplace that leads to a beautiful box beam ceiling. The flex room, complete with built-in shelving, is perfect for a second home office, playroom, or sitting area. The second floor offers a beautiful view of the great room as you walk towards the lavish master suite with triple tray ceiling and bedroom-sized walk-in closet. Its elegantly decorated master bathroom features quartz countertops, double vanity, large shower, and a freestanding soaker tub. Along with the master suite, the second floor includes 3 additional bedrooms, featuring a guest with ensuite bath, as well as a Jack and Jill layout. The laundry room is also conveniently located on the upper level and includes cabinetry, built-in wash sink, and granite countertops. Last but not least, the lower level includes a rec room with gas fireplace, bar, bedroom, and exercise room. The rec room leads to the second covered patio, which provides great coverage for entertaining regardless of weather. Part of our estate series, this home is located just minutes from the Bower Hill Elementary School within the award-winning Peters Township School District. If you're interested in 103 Knightbridge Drive or any of our other homes in the Hamlet of Springdale, call us today at 724-255-0861.